for International Floorball Federation lo mi falia lo Solomon Island. Game ham start lo to I think 2000 mi start for Garem more than 100 members now, and the league start Floorball Federation for Garem 8 fala clubs were registered under this fala sport floorball.
For girls lo gender for play mix lo gender if a little facing challenges cause girls come but not stocker girls for can play, and if I usually play team boys no but
Gender lo ting lo mi imi should work on what we call equality, both men's and women's. Hem osem lo lulub lo mi seleba on what challenges women kina osem most of the people, especially or the men's or treating women's not equally. So time floorball him come in, one for a point of view when we looking at them, him bring him together, both men's and women's together. And there him start to promote him some areas where him good for by me must come together and we must work together. And
for play with them or men okay no man. Play with them and good for girls experience them how boys play strong.
We must call him in more girls for come play, because some areas where or skills where girls got them during time to play, especially for floorball, have winning what boys what we may learning from, especially inside the floorball from what ladies, otasa how for play cooperate, and otasa how for ota listen and otasa how for share game.
I'm good for us when play with team boys for you sabi me strength me sa winning boys no. You should help the women for sa joining na floorball team.
Area by miluluklaim for baham mas support team na for pay for the venues or site for by misa di training the floorball hem or hem access me for some thing where imi like him during time blue game hem support team imi waiting.
Ba yam sa help me for strong na national women's team. 11 game cause we play with the boys mix them okay no me no finding too much challenges like me no been playing ladies like full girls, we play them boys some good play and fun, we got fun with them. Always making me if time for train also me willing and me also sa use for play and me ba got strength and play for, and also every time also mami stay but mami thinking train me must go for play also I'm strengthening me also me ba keep fit every time.
Floorball hem start for setting up one fala new system inside lo body bloomity that me start for getting some something coming where hem helping me supporting me side lo sport and education and health bloomy. Number one, hem keep him health bloomy good. What floorball him supporting me with him part of health lo sport. Number two, him giving me time for me must do na regular exercise. What sport, what calling floorball him helping me na. Number three, him reducing na stress lo body system lo me. Even mind lo me every time me feel that him cope with him everything when me like for them. Rather than other past time lo me, time me no joining floorball. Time me like doing sama something, or some of a bed in over something, or some me carry heavy too much. So time me joining floorball, they be doing what exercise below me, have helping me reducing stress, even me feel health, feel fit. And best start for this time now, start for talem staka for come for mass joining na floorball. So that by misa reduce him na the kind activity where there is strong too much inside lo the community like violence and big too much especially for the women. So time we bring him out to come inside then by him sabe make him life him good.
I think in 5 years time for floorball, I think ba floorball girls ba grow good, ba girls ba on team blood.
And floorball, if anyone outside want to come into floorball, please feel free to come in.